What is up, guys? How's Nation here, and today we're going to be unboxing my new keyboard from Velocifier, the Velocifier VMO1. So I just bought this keyboard off of Amazon for $30. It wasn't that expensive. I saw a lot of good reviews about it, and I decided I could use a mechanical keyboard, especially one for around 30 bucks. So the packaging is pretty simple, It's not something really fantastic or anything, but it comes well packaged inside its nice little cover. Keep it safe. But from the looks of it, it looks really nice and simple. It doesn't look like too like crazy or anything, but it doesn't look too simple where it looks like a regular Dell keyboard or anything like that, which is really good. So taking it out of the package, you can see that it comes cabled. It's not detachable or anything. The instructions and a nice little key puller, which is pretty handy to have. And so the instructions it brings like all the specifications. It works with all the windows, the regular stuff, and the combo key functions, and the cool backlighting it has where you can switch it up, which I'll show you guys in a little bit. But the keyboard, it looks really good. It's not too shiny. It's like a nice matte, and you can pull out the keys with the nice key puller, as you guys can see. Pretty easy. And the switches are supposed to be like clones of the Razer Brown switches. They sound pretty good. They don't sound too cheap or anything like that. And then for the actual keys, you can see that I think it's called double shot once if they're covered like this and with like all this like stuff. But just know that it's a good key. It's not gonna break on you or anything like that. It's really good. As for the backlighting, it's like a greenish bluish, like a light blue and like a light green. It's like a don't really know what the color is, but you guys can see it's like a light blue, light green color, which isn't too bad. It matches with almost anything. Could match it with like a white or blue build. As for the little features it brings, it has a nice breathing effect, a nice falling effect that just keeps going up and down, which is pretty cool. And one that goes up, and one that starts stacking one by one, like building a wall. And I think it also has the reversal also, which is pretty cool, especially for a budget keyboard like this. It's really good to have. It doesn't come with RGB, so you can't really change the colors from green, black, all that stuff. But I don't. Me personally, I don't see anything and like give you advantage with having a bunch of cool colors. I think it's pretty cool just having a simple color like this. But that's just me. But yeah, and you can change the how bright you want it. There's 3 different stages. There's off, dim, and then there's the brightest it can go. And then also you can change the speeds of every effect that it had, the breathing, the stacking, the moving effect. You can change the speeds from slow to fast. It's really simple. It's on the keyboard and you don't need any like software to download onto your computer, which is also pretty good. As for the sound of the keyboard typing, I'm gonna do an example right now. It's pretty good. It's not the worst, but it's also not the best. It's pretty good actually. And here you go. So as you guys can see, it's a nice sound. It's not too loud, but it sounds nice and mechanically. Here's a demonstration of my old keyboard, which was a CM Devastator 2, which is like I guess you could say a wannabe keyboard, mechanical keyboard, my bad, and some sort of mechanical and membrane inside of it. But you guys can hear the difference. So as you guys saw, the Devastator sounded pretty plasticky, and the new Velocifier sounds pretty solid and less cheap. And in the back, you guys got these nice stoppers. It doesn't raise itself. It doesn't have any legs to raise itself. But overall, it's a pretty good keyboard. I mean, for $30, it's really good keyboard you can get. Mechanical. It has anti-ghosting and it has nice effects on the color. So overall, if you guys liked the video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more awesome content from me, How To Nation. And until next time, How To Nation out.
Sinatra shot you, goddamn you. Is this what you want?
Logic.